How to fix allow access to photos not found on Android apps. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to fix allow access to photos is what you have to do is it is the this problem should be on the every app install on your Android apps. So it will be on the Twitter, WhatsApp, Spotify, Snapchat, Telegram, Pinterest, any of the apps. So how to fix it? You can, if the app is, let's see the WhatsApp. So what you have to do is firstly you have to long hold the app, and then you can see the third three options in the popping. Share app info and remove. Click on the app info in the bottom in the middle, and you come to this page. Here you have to scroll down. You can see the install button in the uninstall button in the most bottom. You have to simply click on the uninstall button, and you can again click on the OK button in the bottom, and what it will does, it will uninstall the app successfully. And here you can see you have deleted the app. Now what you have to do is you have to simply type the go to your app store Play Store, and then search for the WhatsApp, and here you can see the option install. Click on the install, and wait until it downloaded. When you install the app, then it will look like this. You have to click on the open button, and it will open your app. Now what you can do is you can agree and continue. You can sign in up your with your phone number, and after you enter your phone number and then click on the send the notification, it will send you code, and it will verify, auto verify, or you have to type. So after typing the OTP, you come to this page, and here you can see this interface. It is saying that find and restore your backup from Google Drive, and it will also say the allow WhatsApp access to your contacts, photos, medias, and files. It means say that it is saying that you can, if you type on the continue, then you have allowed access to photos, medias, and contacts to the WhatsApp. So what you can do is you can simply click on the continue, and when you click on the continue, you can also allow the this app. And the most important is you have to give allow. It is saying that allow WhatsApp to access the photos, media, and files on your device. So this is the very most important of settings. So when you click on the allow button, then you have the fix the allow access to photos. So when you click on the allow button, then it will fix the problem. And when you go back to your app, then you can see here, then you can see the uh, you can type your name, or you can see the, when you log into your account, then you can see the photos access is enabled. So that's basically it, that how you can fix allow access to photos. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate.